Hipobook. Powerful bookkeeping software. In this video, we will learn how to add customers in Hipobook. For adding in customer, click on Customers menu, and then tap Add New Customer. Next, enter the customer's name, email address, phone number, address, city, state, and PIN code. Finally, choose the appropriate country from the drop-down menu. Remember, to give you an idea of how to add customers, I'm just adding some random data in this video. You can add customer data based on your needs. Remember that you can erase any customer data from the customer's menu page at any time based on your needs. After you have added all the values or customer data, double-check your entry and press the Add button. You can add customers to the Hipobook system in this manner. You only need to hit the Add New Customer button to add another customer. You may add customers in the same manner as I previously demonstrated. All you have to do is enter the correct information, such as the name, email address, phone number, address, city, state, and PIN, and choose the desired nation from the drop-down box. Keep in mind that the values I'm adding here are merely examples. You can change the values to suit your needs. I'm going to switch the country from this drop-down option to Somalia. Keep in mind that you can choose the country based on your demands every time while adding a new customer. Now tap on Add button and thus another customer would be added to your Hipobook system. Once more, for bringing on an additional customer, click Add New Customer and proceed as I have demonstrated by adding the previous two customers. Add the values for all the necessary fields, including name, email, address, phone number, state, city, PIN, and nation. With Hipobook, you may create a robust bookkeeping system that will support the expansion of your company, adding clients at any time and according to your needs. Hipobook was created specifically to provide streamlined marketing, accounting, and billing solutions that will enable you to expand your company to new heights. You can choose whether to use our premium membership plans from the Upgrade menu, which will enable you to significantly alter the accounting and billing ecology. Recall that you can fix any mistakes you make while adding customer data from the Customers menu page. You can also click the Delete button to remove any customer data you no longer require. This is the easiest way to add customer information to your Hipobook system. In the next video, I'll walk you through adding categories, inventories, and stock. This will make it easier for you to understand Hipobook's bookkeeping system and enable you to expand your business with ease. Thanks for watching.